Crazy Chef, big vibe, big vibe. Today we're vibing with some shrimp kebabs, and for that we're gonna bring out our cast iron skillet. So big vibe with the Crazy Chef, big vibe, crazy creative kitchen. You know we bring the vibe. So shrimp kebabs. Let's get into the vibe. First thing, I gotta break this coconut in half because it's part of the vibe. So if you wanna see the vibe, stick around to the end. You'll see what I do with this coconut. So if you've never made kebabs before, you need all the information. If you've made kebabs before, you know you need your protein, you need some vegetables, and you need some peppers, some onions. You can use red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, whatever onions you want to use, but it's a part of the vibe. You cut your onions and your peppers in like a little more than bite-sized pieces, like a big dice or a rough chop. And what you're gonna need also is some bamboo skewers. Bamboo skewers, but they won't burn, even though we put them in heat or you put them on a grill. And for these kebabs, you can put it on a grill, or I'm gonna cook it in my cast iron skillet because you know me, I like to do it a little different. Yeah, I said it, I like to be a little different. So as I said, bamboo skewers, cast iron skillet, whatever your vibe is, that's how you cook them. But you need some vegetables, some seasoning, and a little bit of spice of your choice. My spice today, I'm just gonna use some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna use some infused oil. The oil was infused with thyme, garlic, a little bit of rosemary, and some pimento. Then I'm gonna serve my dish with that sauce I made the other day. I made that seamoss sauce, which is really good. And you know seamoss, it has 92 of the 102 minerals and vitamins you actually need to survive. So this is my kebabs. Perfect. Look at those beautiful things. And if you put, a lot of people don't like to put broccoli on their kebabs. I like to put broccoli. Get a little chardy, but it's delicious. All the juice from the shrimp and the onions and stuff goes on your broccoli, and it's just delicious. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna do it just like they do it in the YouTube video. So a little bit of salt and pepper with my salt and pepper grinder, and then I'm gonna hit it with that infused oil, and I'm gonna just marinate it and season it right on my board. Gordon Ramsay can make fun of me, but I'm gonna just do it right on my board. So that's it. That's the vibe. Heat your pan up, add more of that infused oil in there, and then all I gotta do now is add my kebabs and just let them cook. That's all you need to do. So if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button, because you know we bring the vibe. So like I said, if you want to support the channel, that's what I do. Hit that like button. That's all YouTube knows. Like, we're on a buzz over here. So if you want to support the channel, hit that like button. Hit that like button. I hope to get like 1,000 likes. Yeah, to get a 1,000 likes, you have to get 1,000 views. So hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Look how beautiful it is. They're cooking up nicely. Nice chard on my broccoli. My carrots are cooking. My onions are cooking. My peppers are cooking. It's just beautiful. And this is a nice summer type of vibe. This is a nice summer type of vibe. Like if you're cooking outside, if you're grilling outside. Oh, pause for a cause, because there's my coconut. So what I'm gonna do with my coconut now, if you made it to this part of the video, drop me a comment in the comment section and just let me know you made it to the end where I put my seamoss sauce in my coconut. I put my shrimp in there, and everything on this plate can be eaten. So dip your shrimp in your sauce, you eat your shrimp, and then you take a spoon and you can eat the inside. of the coconut. Big vibe, crazy chef. With that vibe, blessings to all the YouTube subscribers and everyone who's watching this video.